Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 workout to lose body fats. Number 10, running. Running is an important exercise if you wish to cut weight and lose body fats. The number of calories burned depend on the amount of time you run, distance and your weight. According to studies, jogging can get you around 398 calories in an hour. You just need jogging shoes and the outdoors. It is also an easy thing to learn. Number 9, dancing. If you are looking for a way to lose body fats in a fun way, then dancing is a perfect alternative for you. It is a full body workout that can easily include problem areas of the body. Aerobic dance can burn as much as 443 calories in an hour. Number 8, boxing. If you think that workouts are a bit boring, you should try boxing. The sweet science is not only an art that can come in handy to defend yourself in real life scenarios, it can also get you fit. An hour of lacing up the gloves and throwing punches can get you around 727 calories in just an hour. Number 7, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. BJJ is a martial art based on the principle of using the opponent's weight against him. It teaches the use of technique, timing, and leverage in order to defeat larger opponents. The amount of calories that you burn depends on the intensity of your workout. Typically, it is easy to shed off 10 pounds just by doing BJJ consistently for a month. Number 6, burpees. Burpees are considered a great workout that can be used by different individuals. Today, doing non-stop burpees for an hour can burn 563 calories for a 155 pounds individual. Other than a way to lose body fats, one of the most important benefits of burpees is endurance. This is why it is used in different endurance workout of professional athletes, from basketball players to football players. Number 5, swimming. One of the best way to burn calories and lose body fats without sweating is via swimming. Swimming can help you burn a lot of calories. Depending on the type of technique that you use, your body will burn different amounts of calories. A 55-pound person swimming freestyle in an intense manner for an hour can burn 704 calories. Number 4, wall climbing. You rarely see a wall climber who is overweight. That's because it is a total body workout that makes you decrease body fats and work on your grips. For starters, it is not only for people with strong arms. You simply use the arm to grip and hold, but there are techniques to involve larger muscles groups to conserve your energy and be able to burn more calories in the process. Number 3, cycling. Another great way to burn fats is cycling. Cycling is a fun activity that you can do in order to stay fit. Cycling alleviates the impact on your joints using the concept of simple machines. A 180-pound individual can burn an average of 650 calories per hour. This is of course a rough estimate. Number 2, CrossFit. CrossFit is a workout that has been getting popular lately. It is a combination of Olympic lifts and body weight and other isolation exercises. Typically, a CrossFit gym has a workout of the day. This workout is known for being a total body workout. Typically, it is advertised with people having six-pack abs. Number 1, calisthenics workout to lose body fats. It involves push-ups, pull-ups and other dynamic movements which only involve your body weight. It has the ability to burn a lot of calories since it keeps the body guessing. Also, it involves balancing which helps work on your core. The amount of calories burned in one section depends on the intensity of your workout.